Hello everyone, welcome to SV Union High School and Junior College. Students, we are going to start with problem set number 15, textbook page number 19 and 20. Question number 1 as given in the textbook, solve the following and write the question and the remainder. So, I have written question and remainder with the white chalk because they have asked what they actually want. They don't want the dividend and the divisor because they have already printed in the textbook. What they require is the question, which I have written it purposely with white, and the remainder with white. So they want the question and the remainder, that is the final answer. Let's see the first solution. The first question they have printed 1284. 1284 divided by 32. Now students, as you know it, 1284, this is called as the dividend, and 32 is called as the divisor. So we will be writing 32 table in the rough work. As you can see it on the right hand side, I have made a rough work and I have written the entire table of 32. So we are going to first division 284 divided by 32. Okay students, let's start. As you can see, 32 is the divisor and 1284 is called as the dividend. So first we are going to see one which is smaller unit and 32 is a bigger number. So 32 zeros are 0 and we will put a minus sign. We will write 1. Next number we are going to take it as 2. As you can see, 32, 12 is a smaller number, 32 is a bigger number. So we will be again writing as 0 and we will minus by 0 and we will get the answer as 12. The next number we will be taking as number 8. Now we have to check it out. 32 fours are, we get direct answer as 128. So we will be writing 32 fours are 128. What will be the answer? It is very simple. You will get the answer as 0. And the last number we will be taking, that is 4. Now we know that 4 is single unit and plus 4 is smaller than 32. So we can divide. So what we have to do? 32 zeros are 0 with minus sign and last answer we will be getting as 4. So we have come to know what is the question. The question over here and is 40 and the remainder is 4. So how are we going to write? We will be writing in answer as, now I don't have space over here, so students, I will be writing it over here. I hope so there won't be any confusion for you. Am I right? So students, I have written it because I was not having space over here, so I have not written, but I have written it over here. So you will be writing, because they have asked in the question, solve the following and write the question. So we got the answer of 1284 divided by 32. The question is 40. And what is the remainder? Remainder is 4. So I have written question 40, remainder 4. I hope so you have understood. Let's solve the second sum. Now students, it is very much necessary to make a rough work and write all the tables down to have a better calculation. Students, we are going to do the next solution. The same question. Solve the following and write the question and remainder. The second question is 5586 divided by 87. As you can see in the right hand side corner, in the rough work, I have already written the 87 table. So now we will do the solution. Let's write the second sum, that is 5586 divided by 87. First we are going to do the division signature, the table 5586 divided by 87. As you can see, 5 is the smaller number, 87 is the bigger number. 87 is called as divisor, 5586 is called as a dividend. So first we are going to write 87, zeros are 0, and we are going to do minus sign. 5 minus 0, answer will come as 5, and then we are going to draw an arrow and write again 5. If you can see, 55 is written over here and 87 is written in the divisor, but 55 is a smaller number and 87 is a bigger number, so again we have to multiply with 0. So 87 zeros are, you will write the answer as 0. As you can see, 5 above 5 it is written as 0, nowhere else. Then we are going to draw a line. 5 minus 0, answer will come as 5, and here also straight away 5. The next number we are going to take it as 8. 558. Now we have to check it in the 87 table whether 558 lesser number are there or any other numbers are there. So let's have a look with the 87 table. As you can see it over here, 87 6 is 522, which is lesser number or which is smaller number than 558. And you can also see 87 7 is 609, which is a bigger number. So we are not going to write 87 7, but we will be writing 87 6, and answer will come as 522. And we are going to do a minus sign. Now this you have to do it mentally, subtraction. 8 minus 2, answer will come as 2, answer will come as 6. 5 minus 2, answer will come as 3. 5 minus 5, answer will come as 0. And we are going to pull down the next number, that is number 6, with the help of an arrow. Now we have to check it in the 87 table. 366 less than 366, any number is there or what? If you can see, 87 5 is 435, which is a bigger number. 87 4 is 348, which is smaller number. So what we are going to write? We are going to write 87 4s, and we will be writing 348, and we are going to put the minus sign. Check it out, 366 minus 348, what will be the answer? 366 minus 348, the answer will come as 18. So this part, what they have asked in the question, they have asked in the question to find out the quotient and the remainder. So we will be writing the quotient and the remainder to make it very easy for you to understand. As you can see on the blackboard, 64 is called as quotient, 18 is called as remainder. So you can write the answer as given in the question. You can write the answer, quotient is 64 and remainder is 18. So let's start with the next solution, number 3. Okay students, let's start with the third solution, which I have written it on the blackboard. As you can see, 1207 divided by 27. and I have returned the 27 table in the rough column, or you can even see, or you can even say as rough work. So let's start with this division problem. What are we going to do? First is we are going to write the dividend number, that is 1207, and we are going to write the divisor, that is 27. Now let's start everyone with the solution. We know 1 is a smaller number, 27 is a bigger number. So 27, zeros are 0 and the signature minus 1 minus 0, answer will come as 1. Then with the help of an arrow, we are going to pull down 2. Okay. Then as you can see, 12 is a smaller number, 27 is a bigger number. Again what we have to write? We have to write 0. So 27 zeros, as you can see, above 2 only I have written 0. 27 zeros are, answer will come as 0. Again minus sign. Then we are going to write the same number, 2 minus 0, answer will come as 2, 1 next to it. And then we are going to pull down the next number, the third number, that is 0. As you can see, we have got 3 digits number. Now we have to check that in 27 table, 120 lesser than 120, any numbers are there or what? Not above than 120. Okay. As you can see, 27 forza is 108. So what we are going to write? 27 forza, as you can see, above 0 only, because this is the third digit, and we are going to multiply 27 forza and we will get the answer as 108, and we are going to do the minus sign. We will be getting as 12. Right everyone? Directly we have to do the subtraction. Now we have to pull the next sum, that next number, that is number 7, and we will be writing as 127. Now below 127, as you can see, 7 5 is 135, 27 4 is 108. So what are we going to write? 135? No. Why? Because this is a bigger number. Which number are we going to write? We are going to write 27 4 108. So again we are going to write in the question, that is 27 4 108. So we will be getting the answer 127 minus 108. The answer will come as 19. Okay. So we have to write down what is the quotient and what is the remainder. As you can see, this part is called as quotient. This part is called as remainder. We will be writing in the answer. Quotient is 44. Remainder is 19. So what we have got the answer is, the answer for 1207 divided by 27, quotient is 44 and remainder is 19. With the fourth solution, fourth problem, that is 8543 divided by 41. Okay students, as you can see, the fourth sum I have written it. The fourth sum is 8543 divided by 41. So we will be writing the table of 41 in the rough work. And let's start with the solution by dividing 8543 divided by 41. So first of all, we will be writing 8543 divided by 41. 41 is called as divisor, 8543 is called as dividend. Now, so 8 is a smaller number and 41 is a bigger number. So we will be writing 41 zeros are, answer will come as 0, and we are going to do a minus sign. 8 minus 0, answer will come as 8. Now we will take the next number, that is 85. As you can see, 85 is a bigger number, 41 is a smaller number, and in the table of 41 you can see it very clearly. 41 twos is 82. So we will be writing 41 twos is 82 with a minus sign, and then we are going to subtract, and 85 minus 82, answer will come as 3. We are going to pull down the next number, that is number 4, with the help of an arrow, and you can see 34 is a smaller number and 41 is a bigger number. So which number we will be taking? We will be taking 41 zeros are 0 and minus sign. Then we are going to enter the same number down, 34, and we will be taking the next number by an arrow, and we will be writing 3. And we have to see. Now 41 times is 369, which is a bigger number, so we will not take this number. So 41 eights is 328, which is a smaller number. So what we will be writing? 41 eights are 328, and we will be writing the minus sign. And you know 343 minus 328, answer will come as 15. So what they have asked in the question, they have asked to write down the quotient and the remainder. So we will be writing this 208 is called as quotient, this 15 is called as remainder. So we will be writing, I don't have space over here, so I will be writing it over here. Answer quotient is 208 or 208, and remainder is 15. Now students, as you can see, I have written the answer. Quotient is 208, or we can even call it as 208, 208, and remainder is 15. So we have completed the fourth sum. Now let's. So students, we will be continuing with the next sums in the next video. Till then, keep practicing. Thank you everyone.